Sitting for long hours every day is one of the biggest productivity killers and health risks in modern work life, and that's exactly why standing desks have become a game changer for home offices and professional setups. But here's the problem. Not every standing desk delivers smooth performance, stability, or real long-term comfort. Some are noisy, some wobble, and others simply don't justify the price. So instead of wasting your time guessing, we've analyzed some of the best standing desks available right now based on build quality, adjustability, stability, features, and overall value. Backhand index pointing right. Quick heads up. All product links are already in the description box below, so if you want to check current prices, detailed specs, or real user reviews at any time, feel free to click those links. We're counting down from number 5 to number 1, and by the end, you'll discover the best option that perfectly balances performance, comfort, and price. Let's get started. Number 5 kicks off our list with the ErGear electric sit-to-stand desk, a smart and reliable option for anyone stepping into the world of ergonomic workspaces without spending a premium budget. This desk is designed to make your daily workflow smoother by offering electric height adjustment, allowing you to switch between sitting and standing positions effortlessly throughout the day. The motor operates quietly and consistently, which is especially important if you're working in a focused environment or sharing space with others. One of the most practical features is its memory preset system, letting you save your preferred height levels so you can transition instantly with just one touch instead of adjusting manually each time. The 48 by 24-inch desktop provides enough room for a dual monitor setup, laptop, and essential accessories, making it versatile for both professional tasks and creative work. Stability is another strong aspect, thanks to its solid steel frame that minimizes wobble even when the desk is fully extended, giving you confidence during use. The design is clean and modern, blending easily into most home or office setups, and assembly is relatively straightforward, which adds to its user-friendly appeal. Overall, this desk offers a balanced mix of performance, convenience, and affordability, making it an excellent starting point for improving posture and productivity. For more detailed information, updated pricing, and full specifications, check the product link in the description box below. At number 4, this HW 55-inch electric sit-to-stand desk brings a noticeable upgrade in workspace size and everyday practicality, making it ideal for users who need extra room for multitasking. The larger 55-inch surface allows you to comfortably fit multiple monitors, a laptop, documents, and other accessories without feeling cramped, which is a big advantage for productivity-focused setups. One of its standout features is the built-in drawer, providing convenient storage space to keep small items organized and your desktop clutter-free. The electric height adjustment system is smooth and responsive, allowing seamless transitions between sitting and standing positions with minimal noise, which helps maintain focus during work sessions. Like more premium models, it includes memory presets, enabling you to save your preferred height settings for quick and effortless adjustments throughout the day. The desk is supported by a sturdy frame that maintains stability even when fully extended, reducing wobble and ensuring a secure working experience. Its modern and minimal design fits well into both home offices and professional environments, while the straightforward assembly process makes it accessible for users who want a hassle-free setup. Overall, this desk strikes a strong balance between size, functionality, and value, making it a great choice for those upgrading their workspace. For more details, updated pricing, and full specifications, check the link in the description box below. Number 3 on our list is the VariDesk Essential 36 Standing Desk Converter, a highly practical solution for users who want the benefits of a standing desk without replacing their existing furniture. This 2-tier adjustable desk converter sits on top of your current desk, instantly transforming it into a sit-to-stand workstation, which makes it perfect for renters or those looking for a flexible setup. The dual-level design separates your monitor and keyboard, promoting better ergonomic positioning that helps reduce strain on your neck, shoulders, and wrists during long work sessions. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its ease of use, featuring a smooth adjustment mechanism that allows you to switch between sitting and standing positions quickly without complicated steps. The 36-inch surface provides enough space for a monitor, laptop, and essential accessories, making it suitable for most work environments. Stability is well handled, ensuring that your equipment remains secure even during adjustments, which is critical for maintaining productivity. Its compact design also helps save space while still delivering functional performance. This converter is ideal for users who want an affordable and efficient way to improve posture and workflow without committing to a full desk replacement. For more information, updated pricing, and full specifications, check the product link in the description box below. At number 2, the VIVO 32-inch K-series desk converter. It offers a compact yet powerful solution for users who want a reliable sit-to-stand workstation without taking up too much space. Designed with efficiency in mind, this converter supports dual monitors while maintaining a relatively small footprint, making it perfect for smaller desks or limited work areas. The height adjustment mechanism is smooth and easy to operate, allowing quick transitions between sitting and standing positions without disrupting your workflow. Its sturdy construction ensures excellent stability, even when supporting multiple screens or heavier equipment, which is essential for maintaining a consistent and secure working experience. The two-tier design helps improve ergonomics by positioning your monitor and keyboard at appropriate levels, reducing strain and promoting better posture over long periods of use. One of its key advantages is its simple setup process, as it comes mostly pre-assembled and ready to use, saving time and effort. This makes it a great option for users who want convenience without sacrificing performance. Whether you're working from home or upgrading an office setup, this converter provides a practical balance of functionality, durability, and space efficiency. For more details, updated pricing, and full product specifications, check the link in the description box below. Finally, at number 1, the VERSADESK PowerPro 36-inch electric standing desk. Its converter stands out as a premium choice for users who want advanced functionality, superior convenience, and long-term reliability. What sets this model apart is its electric lift system, allowing you to adjust height effortlessly with the push of a button, which significantly enhances the overall user experience compared to manual converters. The 36-inch surface provides generous space for monitors, laptops, and accessories, making it suitable for both professional and creative work setups. Its sturdy and well-engineered construction ensures excellent stability, even at higher positions, which helps maintain confidence during use. The ergonomic design supports healthier posture by making it easy to alternate between sitting and standing throughout the day, reducing fatigue and improving productivity over time. The motor operates smoothly and quietly, making it ideal for environments where noise can be distracting. Additionally, the premium build quality ensures durability, making it a long-term investment rather than a temporary solution. This converter is perfect for users who want a high-end sit-to-stand experience without replacing their entire desk. For more detailed information, updated pricing, and full specifications, check the product link in the description box below. That's all from today's reviews. I hope this video helped you understand which option fits your needs best. To make things easier for you, I've added all the product links in the description box below, so you can check the latest price, detailed specifications, and grab the best deals available right now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest product reviews. And if you have any questions, experiences, or suggestions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.